Hello, everyone. I'm so excited to talk to you today about one of the most rewarding journeys you can take, the path to becoming a web developer. I want to start with a simple truth. Every expert was once a beginner. Every single web developer you admire started out knowing nothing about code. They faced confusion, frustration, and doubt, just like you might be feeling right now. Let me share a personal story. When I first started exploring web development, I had moments where I questioned myself. The lines of code were confusing. Sometimes my page wouldn't load or an error would pop up that I couldn't understand. I wondered, is this really for me? But I kept going. Day by day, I learned a little more. I made mistakes, I fixed them, and I grew. Maybe you're watching this and thinking, I don't have a computer, or I don't have a computer science background as well. I'm not good at math. I started too late. Let me tell you, those thoughts are more common than you think. But here's the thing, web development isn't just about raw talent or technical knowledge, it's about curiosity, persistence, and the willingness to learn. You don't need to be a genius, you need to be willing to try, fail, and try again. Let me share the story of Princess, a friend of mine who worked as a barista. She had no tech experience, but she was curious. She started watching free tutorials on YouTube, practicing a little bit every after her shifts. Fast forward 2 years, and Princess is now a junior developer at a software company, making websites that thousands of people use. I want you to think about your own dreams for a moment. What does your ideal future look like? Maybe you want to build an app, start your own business, or help your community by creating useful websites. Web development gives you the power to do that. With just a laptop and an internet connection, you can reach people all over the world. You can be creative, solve real problems, and make a difference, of course. Let's talk about persistence. One of the most powerful things you can do is commit to learning, even just a little each day. 10 minutes, 20 minutes, consistency beats intensity. If you stick with it, you'll be amazed at how much you can learn in a month or a year. Here's another real life story. Mac, who was working in retail, taught himself web development through free online resources. He built small projects, participated in online communities, and asked questions when he got stuck. Today, he's a freelance web developer, working from home and setting his own schedule. If Mac can do it, you can too. Let's break down some practical steps. Start small. Learn the basics of HTML and CSS. These are the building blocks of every website. Use free resources. Websites like Free Code Camp, Code Academy, and MDN Web Docs are incredible places to start. Of course, join communities. Find online groups on Discord, Reddit, or local, meetups where you can ask questions and share your progress. Build projects. Start with simple websites, maybe a personal portfolio, a blog, or a landing page for local businesses. Share your work, of course. Put your projects online. Share them on social media because feedback is a powerful tool for growth. Now, if you're feeling overwhelmed, don't worry. Every developer feels that way sometimes. The important thing is to keep moving forward, even when it's, hard. Let's take a moment and imagine. You're sitting at your computer, you write a few lines of codes. You hit refresh and your own website appears. That feeling? That's the magic of creation. You're building something from nothing. Web development is a tool for change. You can help local businesses go online, create tools for your community, or even start your own company. Your skills can open doors you never imagined. I want to hear from you. What inspires you to become a web developer? Drop your dreams in the comments or share your story in our community. Let's support each other and celebrate every milestone, big or small. As you continue this journey, remember, success isn't about never failing. It's about learning from mistakes and pushing forward. Here's an exercise for you. Set a small goal for this week. Maybe it's building your first web page, joining an online community, or learning a new concept. Write it down. At the end of the week, reflect on what you learned and how far you've come. Let's recap everything. Everyone starts somewhere. Persistence is key. Community and support make the journey easier. Your ideas matter. The web is waiting for what only you can create. I believe in you. If you keep learning, keep building, and keep dreaming, you will find your place in the world of web development. Thank you for spending time with me today. Get out there, start coding, and pursue your dreams. The web is yours to shape. One line of code at a time. Stay inspired and keep coding, everyone. Bye bye.